Hi, this is Brent. We're here at Sicame, North America at the Naperville Outdoor Demonstration Yard. And what we want to do is show you how to remove a TTD connector. This is an insulation piercing connector. And what we're going to do is with the second head that's on this shear bolt, this one doesn't shear, we're going to take a 5/8 6-point socket. We're going to go counterclockwise and we'll loosen this up. And it allows the connector now, the tap conductor comes out, the connector comes off of the main line. At this point, you'd want to follow your company's practices on sealing up this cable because there would be opportunities for moisture to get into the aluminum conductor. So you'd want to tape that up or use some kind of a sealant on it, but you'd want to follow your company's practices on that. So thank you.